Hey y'all, this is Eric with CW Hammocks, and I just want to talk to you a little bit about the basics of putting together an underquilt. Really, once you know how to cut your material and you know some basic stitching, putting together a regular just underquilt is really just putting those things together. I'm going to show you kind of what I do. I start out with some ClimaShield HL. This is the 6 ounce per square yard ClimaShield HL. Got it from Paul over at Arrowhead Equipment. And I cut it 46 inches wide, and it is 60 inches long. Then I take my ripstop nylon, and this is 1.1 ounce per square yard ripstop from Scott over at DIYGearSupply.com, and I cut it. One side is 46 inches by 61 inches, and then the other side is going to be 48 inches by 61 inches. So I've got one rectangle of ClimaShield HL, and then I have 2 rectangles of 1.1 ounce ripstop. Then I cut out from the ripstop nylon, from another piece, I cut out 2-inch rectangles that are and I put a rolled hem on either end. This is going to be what my suspension slides through to hang the underquilt, and we'll get more into that later. Next, what we do is we lay out the ClimaShield. We lay out the smaller section of ripstop directly on the ClimaShield, and then we take our slightly larger piece and we place that on top, and then we sandwich our suspension channels in between with the cut edge of everything facing out. And then we start pinning.